For 2 decades, digital discoverability was a matter of indexing. Success was defined by how effectively you could rank on a vertical list of blue links so the engine could retrieve your page. That index is being physically displaced. AI answer engines generate text at the top, forcing traditional organic results downward, a vertical drop of 1,630 pixels. The number one organic result disappears from the initial view, ending up entirely below the fold. This creates a new reality for marketers. Holding the top organic rank no longer ensures that the user will actually see your brand. Data from current AI search patterns shows that 93.8% of the URLs cited in generative answers do not appear in the top results on page 1. That discrepancy marks a move toward a search architecture based on synthesis. The engine is prioritizing its own generated answer over the simple retrieval of external documents. Navigating this shift requires a new framework, Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO. Traditional SEO is built for a referral machine. The goal is a ranked list that encourages users to click away from the search engine to your website. GEO assumes a different output. The engine acts as a synthesizer, creating a closed loop where the user's question is answered directly in the interface. Here, visibility is defined by the citation. You win when your brand is the named source within that generated text block. To generate these different outputs, the engines rely on different inputs. Traditional search focuses on keyword matching, short, fragmented phrases that map to specific pages. Generative engines process conversational prompts. Users provide multi-layered questions with complex constraints, expecting the model to evaluate several variables simultaneously. Because the prompts are conversational, GEO is a relational challenge. You aren't just matching a keyword, you are positioning your brand as the most relevant entity for a user's specific complex set of needs. In traditional SEO, trust is built on backlinks. These clickable mathematical votes of confidence allow an engine to verify authority by following a trail of linked domains. Generative engines evaluate trust through semantic mapping, treating brands as entities connected to topics via implicit mentions, discussions without URLs, reliable sources. This shift is significant. An AI model doesn't need a hyperlink to recognize a brand. It understands authority through language and context alone. In the generative ecosystem, citation authority is the primary trust signal, determining which brands surface in AI answers, even if traditional backlinks remain strong. Traditional SEO rewards long-form narrative content. Paging is often padded to increase keyword counts and keep humans on the page longer. Large language models have difficulty extracting precise facts from narrative or sales-heavy copy. Ambiguity makes it harder for the model to use your site as a verified reference. GEO requires an answer-first architecture here. A dense narrative paragraph transforms into a direct definition and a structured data table. This efficiency is critical. When empirical facts are structured clearly, an LLM can instantly extract and cite them with high confidence. This structural shift also changes how we measure success. Legacy SEO metrics are built around the click, monitoring how much traffic actually arrives at your site. GEO measurement focuses on the AI interface. Success is tracked through citation frequency and how often your brand is implicitly mentioned across the web. Monitoring your share of voice inside AI prompts provides a crucial visibility metric, capturing brand influence in a search environment where zero-click answers make traditional referral data incomplete. Digital discovery has entered a phase where the internet is less an index of links and more a synthesis of decentralized facts. To remain visible, audit your high-performing pages, retrofit them with direct definition blocks and structured data tables at the very top of the content. Next, manage your brand entity off-site. Your visibility depends on accurate unlinked discussions appearing in third-party press, in niche forums and professional reviews. Finally, use precise schema markup. Clear, machine-readable code eliminates any ambiguity when a model attempts to map the information on your site. Traditional SEO is not obsolete, but it is no longer a standalone strategy. It now functions as part of a broader system. Effective search strategy now requires running SEO and GEO in parallel, securing the traditional click while optimizing for the generative citation. So here is where you actually stand. The search landscape has split into 2 parallel systems. One rewards the click, the other rewards the citation. And right now, most pages are built entirely for one and invisible to the other. Run through this on your own page. Does your content open with a direct definition or a structured answer block? Or does it open with a narrative introduction that buries the facts an AI needs to cite you? Is your brand discussed accurately in third-party press, niche forums, and professional reviews? Or does your entity only exist on your own domain? Is your schema markup clear enough for a model to extract your core offer without ambiguity, or are you leaving that to chance? If any of those answers are unclear, you have a GEO leak. Possibly more than one. Knowing the leak exists is the first step. Knowing exactly where it is, which dimension it sits in, and what to change first. That is the diagnostic scan. Traditional SEO is not dead, but running it alone is no longer a complete strategy. The pages that win the next decade of search will be the ones that secure the click and earn the citation, both at the same time. Run a free GEO diagnostic scan on your page at ConversionDoc. Every visibility leak identified, every intervention prescribed. Results in 60 seconds. The link is in the description.